Welcome back to Car Mag's Reviews today. We're diving into the all-new 2026 Ford F100, a modern rebirth of a true American classic. The Ford F100 was once the heart and soul of pickup trucks in the mid-20th century. And now, in 2026, Ford is bringing it back with a fresh identity, blending vintage style with cutting-edge technology and electric power. Whether you're a longtime truck enthusiast or someone curious about this nostalgic return, this is a ride worth exploring. Right away, the exterior of the 2026 Ford F100 commands attention, pays homage to its heritage with a retro-inspired body that still feels fresh and modern. The rounded front fashion, classic chrome grille, and signature dual-round LED headlights instantly recall the 70s era truck. But this isn't just about nostalgia. Ford has equipped the F100 with a sculpted hood, sleek aerodynamic panels, flush door handles, and bold fender flares. The truck sits on 20-inch alloy wheels, giving it a stance that's both rugged and refined. At the rear, the minimalistic taillight design and embossed tailgate bring the retro-modern vibe full circle. Whether you see it in motion or parked on the street, the 2026 F100 looks like it rolled out of a dream, timeless but futuristic. Inside, its 2026 Ford F100 surprises even more. The cabin merges classic layout influences with today's smart technologies. You get a dual-tone interior that mixes soft-touch materials, aluminum accents, and wood grain trim options, evoking a true sense of craftsmanship. The dash design includes retro-style toggles and buttons, but they're integrated into a fully digital setup. Front and center, a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen is paired with a 12-inch digital driver display, both powered by Ford's latest SYNC system, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, built-in Alexa, and real-time over-the-air updates keep the tech experience seamless. The F100 seats are not just good-looking, they're built for comfort. Premium leather or eco-fabric options come with heating, ventilation, and memory functions. There's plenty of headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. Ford also adds thoughtful storage throughout, from underseat bins to fold-flat rear seats that transform the cabin into a mobile workspace. A panoramic roof and ambient lighting system make the interior feel spacious and inviting. Whether you're cruising downtown or heading off-grid, performance-wise, this isn't your grandfather's pickup. The 2026 Ford F100 is fully electric, built on a modified version of Ford's EV platform, similar to the F150 Lightning, but tuned specifically for this mid-size revival. Dual electric motors provide all-wheel drive and push out an estimated 480 horsepower with 775 pounds FT of torque. That's enough to launch the F100 from 0 to 60 in just under 4.5 seconds. Incredibly quick for a pickup with classic roots. Ford also offers a single-motor rear-wheel drive variant for those who want a more traditional, balanced ride. The battery range impresses too. Depending on the configuration, you can expect between 280 to 330 miles on a full charge. A fast charging capabilities let you juice up to 80% in around 40 minutes. It's making road trips and long hauls more convenient than ever. Towing capacity is rated at 7,500 pounds, and payload tops out at over 2,000 pounds, more than enough to prove this isn't just a showpiece. It's a true workhorse. On the road, the F100 feels smooth, responsive, and quiet. The instant torque from the electric motors means there's no delay when you need power. Thanks to adaptive suspension and a well-balanced chassis, handling is surprisingly agile. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, it drives more like a refined SUV than a brawny truck. Ford also includes multiple drive modes, from sport and eco to tow haul and off-road, so you can tailor your experience based on the task ahead. Safety and assistance systems are another highlight. The 2026 Ford F100 includes Ford Co-Pilot 360, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and even hands-free Blue Cruise highway driving. Smart, safe, and always ready to assist when needed. All in all, the 2026 Ford F100 is a brilliant blend of past and future. It celebrates the legacy of one of America's most beloved trucks while fully embracing the electrified era. From its retro design cues and high-tech cabin to its powerful electric drivetrain, Ford has crafted something truly special. It's not just a comeback, it's a revolution for classic truck lovers and a bold move into the future of utility vehicles. If you enjoyed this review and want more deep dives into the latest cars, concepts, and automotive icons, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Car Mag's Reviews. We've got more reviews on the way, and trust us, you won't want to miss what's coming next. See you in the next one.